What up, everybody? Right here we got the projector attachment from Nanlite. This is pretty much going to be a spotlight for us throughout the whole shoot that we're going to be able to use. We're actually excited to see how the photographers use it. We didn't have this at the last workshop, so yeah, we can't wait to use this. This kit has it all. This is like the one-all be-all kit if you really just need to purchase one set of lighting. It includes 3 4s and 60Cs, all RGB, and they have all these crazy attachments that you can kind of add to.
We have 4 PavaTube 230X. They're gonna go up on the rafters. PavaTube Cs. They're the 4-foot ones that we're going to be using for the interviews and to move around. We might throw some in the car just because they're so versatile. So we're just going to be using those to move around and have like different scenarios. We're going to be using the Nanlite app to control the PavaTubes. One of the best features, I think, of all the Nanlights that you can control it with this. So really we could adjust the color, the brightness, the color temperature. Anything you could possibly do on those Nanlite tubes, you can do it through here. We're wrapping up. I'm going ahead and cleaning up, taking all the lights down. Definitely, everybody's most used lights definitely has to be the Forzas.